Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Java onto your computers so that you can develop with it and create applications. So the first thing you want to do is go onto Google or any search engine and type in download JDK, and then this first one, Java SE Standard Edition, should be the one. Okay, and then you'll be on this Oracle website. You'll be in the downloads tab, and you can either download the JDK on its own or with NetBeans, which is the software you use to program in Java. I'd suggest just getting this straight away because you want a bit of software to program with it. There are other software out there, but this one, I use this one, it's quite a nice one. You're going to want to accept the license first before you can download it. And then you need to choose your operating system. So I'm on Windows with a 64-bit operating system, so I'll choose this bottom one, but obviously if you're on your Mac or you've got a 32-bit computer, you go onto that one there. So you click on this, and then you download it and save it. I'm not going to do it because I already have the JDK and NetBeans installed on my computer, but if you just go ahead with that, press yes, agree, and should be able to just install the default settings, and that should be fine. Although if you have any problems with that, just comment below and I'll try and help. Okay, so the next thing what you're going to want to do is when that's all downloaded and installed is you need to set it up on your system so that it can find it. So if you installed it properly, Java, if you go into your folders, go into your C drive, go into program files, go into Java, and then you should have your JDK. I've got a few, but just go to the one that you've downloaded, should be the biggest version number. Go into that, go into the bin folder. There'll be a few things in here. Doesn't matter what you click on, if you just right click on any one, just choose the top one, right click and go to properties, and then you should have this location. Now this is what you need to set up the system variable to tell it where it is. So if you highlight this location and then go to copy, actually I'm not sure if that's right. No, I haven't done that right. There we go. You want to make sure that it has bin on the end of it. I hadn't clicked on the item properly, so it just did the folder, but you want to make sure that it has bin on the end and it's got the JDK in it. So you want to copy that and close out of that, and then go into your start menu and type in system. You want to go to the system control panel, and then you want to go to advanced system settings, bring this down. In your advanced tab you want to go to environment variables. Now I've already got it set up, this path variable here, but you want to create a new user variable, so you want to click on new, type in path, and then paste in the location that we just copied there. Click OK, and you'll have this created, and then what that will do is it will tell your system where the Java JDK is, and it will be able to compile Java programs that you make. So now that that's all set up, you want to test that it has actually worked. So if you go to your start menu again and type in CMD to get your command prompt, then bring this down, type in Java C for the Java compiler, press enter, and if this comes up then you've done it right. If you get a short little error message then something's gone wrong, and I suggest going back and trying to install everything correctly and follow it again. So yeah, that's that, and you should have also installed NetBeans. I've got it here on my computer already, so if you double click on that, should load it, and you should get something like this with a start menu, or you might have to go through some setup stages, I don't know, I can't remember how it works, but you should get this once it's all set up and done. And then yeah, so that's it for that one, and I'll show you how to get going with your first NetBeans project in the next tutorial.